Human wiring, nature versus nurture. Understanding the difference between nurture versus nature is crucial in leadership. Human wiring is linked to traits that are part of our nature, not traits that have been influenced by our situations and environments. Human wiring traits are present at birth and stay relatively consistent throughout our whole life. It gets to the root of how we generate ideas, communication, process thought, and effective decision-making. Recognizing these traits enhances personal and professional growth, and when included in the workplace, can create a more inclusive and productive organization. For example, some individuals are more comfortable in conflict or debate, while others avoid it. Some can generate ideas best by verbalizing ideas to someone, while others need time to reflect and analyze afterward. These inner traits heavily influence our interactions. The more self-aware you are about your own wiring, the better you become at understanding the wiring of others and sharing techniques that help them succeed. Investing in personal and leadership development leads to enhancing individual performance, increasing communication and innovation. This is due to using the unique strength of your team. Using natural strengths results in natural success.